guys, this is Leo from Leo's World, and today I'll be unboxing the Adidas Ace 16.3 Primemesh TF Turf soccer shoes. And, well, let's get to it. So here we go, here's the shoe. Okay, now here's the shoe, and here is the Ace logo. Okay, and at the back of the shoe we have the Adidas logo, and has a nice green color with black and pinkish colors here. The nice design, and these are size 4s, just to let you know. And inside here in the shoe has the Ace logo, and it says 16.3. And on the bottom, this is the sole for turf surfaces, and it's very round, the sole, and it has the Adidas logo here. And it has a nice feature. It has the sock has been released, just like Nike shoes. And we have the other shoe, and it's the exact same thing. Everything, as you can see here. Okay. So I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for other videos. Bye guys!